Hey guys, this is an update on the Shoretrooper build. As you know, I am doing the Sean Fields free Shoretrooper files, which is found on the shoretrooper.co.uk website. So this is week 3 and we're still printing a bunch of stuff. We have printed most of the chest. I actually have the last piece of the chest on the printer as we speak. We also were able to pick up a bunch of new filament from a store called Micro Center, which I've never heard of until I read about it on one of the Shoretrooper Facebook page websites. So I ended up getting 3 rolls of filament, PLA, and they were $16.99 each, whereas when you're going on to Amazon or even eBay, you're looking at $20, $23, $25, $30. So we also started putting together the rib pieces. As you can see here, they were extremely long prints. The center print alone I think was 20 plus hours, but I do have a bunch right now of the ribs. They're ready to go. Everything's great. I can't wait for that to finish. I'm printing everything for the chest, back, and ribs so far at 100%. I started getting the back boxes together, which I did find myself in a little bit of a pickle. I should have done a little bit more research before I printed the back boxes, because it turns out that there are 2 folders in the Sean Fields files that says for Jim's kit or for Kevin's kit. And I probably should have did more research, because I ended up printing, I believe, Kevin's kit, and they did not fit. I ended up spending 12 and a half hours on each left and right, and plus I had a print failure, which I ended up tossing in the trash because it failed probably 50% of the way in. I figured that just sticking with the Sean Fields kit in general will give me the best prints, even if they're not 100% screen accurate. I also had to start writing down what pieces are which, because now we're getting to 10, 20, 30 pieces, and I'm not putting it together right away because I haven't even sanded half the pieces yet. But I have to mark everything, which I also suggest marking everything because it's probably the best way to put the puzzle piece together after the fact. I didn't really get to show the helmet that I originally printed about 6 months ago in more detail. Again, this is a Sean Fields version helmet. Again, it was rushed. First time printing a helmet, I blew through it. The pieces could have been sanded a little better. Pieces probably could have been printed a little better. As you can see on the inside, I just a shoddy job overall. Threw some foam in there and called it a day. I printed this at 100% and it does not fit. So we will be printing a larger one. Again, you can see I have the labeled pieces on the back. This is from last week's build. I'm still printing the last piece for the chest, which is the right top. You can see I hit some sanding, put a little Bondo. You can see there's a crack from when I started putting the pieces together after the fact. So we're gonna have to go back and finish that. I was able to mess around a little bit and put some pieces together and whatnot, but I'm hoping that this week coming up I can even push more, because I have a second Ender 3 that should be delivered today. I was actually hoping it would have been earlier, but Amazon seems to be delivering a little later than normal. So we're going to actually set up both printers in the basement and be running side by side and hopefully get more pieces printed out, and then we'll just take it from there. So here's just a quick update. Wish I could have gotten a little bit more in depth, but there will be another update coming soon, and hope your builds are going great. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or tips, please leave a comment below and subscribe for more updates with the Shoretrooper build.